The Hitachi interactive panel is designed for shared environments and therefore comes with customizable security features, allowing the user to lock menus, buttons and apps and touch functionality to prevent unauthorized access. By selecting More from your home page, you can access Helper, an efficient tool to quickly scan and secure your device. With A-Lock, you can easily select certain applications to lock via password, pattern or PIN. S-Lock locks your screen with the same security options. Touchscreen functionality can be locked or unlocked via your front panel keys. And key functionality is controlled via your remote. You can lock your front keys by pressing PSM plus the left arrow 4 times, and unlocked with PSM followed by the right arrow 4 times. Helper also assists in quick diagnostics, using the check function to inspect your interactive panel, reporting on touch, storage, temperature and RTC status.